Good afternoon. I'm here in my thimbleberry patch. I'm going to show you what they look like. This is the flower of a thimbleberry, Rubus parviflorum. They're related to raspberries and blackberries. The flowers turn into gorgeous thimble-shaped red berries, and they taste similar to a raspberry, although I would say a more intense flavor, almost like a jam. Some people describe the aftertaste as honeyed or slightly musky. I don't really know what they're talking about. I'd say it's kind of like eating a nice raspberry freezer jam. It's a very intense flavor. It's sweet, it's a bit tart. The problem with the berries for commercial purposes is that they don't transport well at all. Even if you pick them in your garden to try to take inside, they just fall apart. So it's best to eat them off of the bush. They are a really delicious berry. I still want to try to figure out how to scoop up a jar full of them and maybe make a little jam or compote to put in the fridge, because they're such a delicious flavor. They're a native species in the Northwest here, I think all the way down to California though, and up to Alaska. We're in British Columbia here. Bees really love them for their nectar. So if you're looking to attract things like bees and butterflies to your yard to help pollinate other flowers or just to help out the bees and everything, this is a great plant. So this is the patch here, and to the right here are my thornless blackberries. And I'm just gonna walk around the patch here to the other side, so you can see how much they have spread. I started with a couple of bushes. I got 2 so that I would get cross-pollination and a better yield. And what I wish I had known is that they travel underground and start up new plants really easily on rhizomes, or at least in my experience, really easily. So mine have spread to the edge of my raspberry patch here. So in between my thornless blackberries and my raspberries, I have a huge patch now of these thimbleberries, but they're delicious, so I'm not going to cry about it. But if you're looking to confine them, think about maybe some sort of underground barrier or something. I didn't do that with raspberries either, and they spread too.